I intended this to be a whole how-to video. I'm kind of in the middle, so I'm gonna backtrack and show you, what I'm doing to clean a hot water tank. A different way to clean a hot water tank. I think a better way in trying to get the sediment out. So this is a wet dry vacuum. You can see all the sediment already pulled out. So for me, a regular drain, fill and drain, not really getting much out. You can power flush it, which is turn on the water with the drain open for a second, loosen up the sediment, let it run out. You'll get some out that way, but I'm getting a lot out by vacuuming through the anode rod plug or hole. And when I finish with this, I'm gonna take out the drain and vacuum from the drain using the wet dry vac. So let me show you how much sediment I'm getting out of here. It's a lot. On top of this, is already did a regular flush and power flush and regular drain, and I can just tell there's a lot still left in here. But let me show you about how much is coming out. Let me see if I can pour and hold the camera. That's what I took out so far from the top anode rod hole. So I'll keep going with this, and I'll take the drain out and vacuum out from the drain. So about to wrap it up. So with this hose, 5/8 hose, with the drain out, you can power flush it straight. Just turn the water on for a second and let it run out. There's still some coming out. You can see the sediment still coming out. I thought I was done, so I'm gonna keep going. You can see it. That's a good example of what's in the tank. I thought I was wrapping up, but more is coming out, so I'll keep going. This is round 2 from the top. So that's what came out the second time around. Let me show you how I'm doing this. Clear hose. This is a 5/8 inner, 7/8 outer diameter vinyl hose. Get it from any hardware store. Power tool adapter. You can get these from Walmart. This is from Menards, and this is how I'm doing it. You can insert the adapter upside down in your vacuum hose. Put your clear hose in this end, and that's it. Now you can go the other way around. You can flip it around, and if your hose will fit, for this one I would have to cut off the edge of this tip, so it works fine the other way around, backwards, and stick the hose in. So it's enough stuff.